Hello, friends. So I've been having a lot of fun making AI versions of my songs, which is way harder than you think it might be. It's no walk in the park. I wanted to talk a little bit about that. Over here on the left of the screen, you'll see I've done eight songs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, using Suno AI. Some songs come together fairly easily doing this. Some songs are really a challenge. And I thought I would talk just slightly about that for any of you who are curious about this. This is the thing. I've been able to do 8 songs in 5 days. I started doing this 5 days ago. Now, to have demoed a song with anything more than a bass, drums, and guitar, not full arrangement with strings and really killer keyboards and stuff like that, and good singers. There's no way I could have done one song probably in a week, not and working day jobs like I do. So the thing that's really great about this is I'm sitting on hundreds of songs that I've written over the years. It's not unusual that I would write a song a week or 2 songs a week back when I was really into writing. And so there's all kinds of good material out there that I've got, or at least it seems to be. So I just posted Everything But You, a song I wrote for Nikki back in 2012. Hopefully I'm recording this right. Let's show you a little bit of it so you can see.
A different time, a different place, some other life, another face. If I could turn back time and make it all brand new, I might change everything in my life, girl, but you. A better job, more faith.
So I'm not going to, belabor that, but you get to further into it and it rocks up.
Every turn from heaven's course.
These drums and stuff are killer.
Chance to start my crazy life all over you. I might do everything, all the pain, every gloomy winter rain, everything that's come my way, but you.
I mean, that is pretty killer. I did a rap song the other day. Let's see if I can figure out how to grab that and share it with you. Show you what it's. Let me grab the URL here. I've been doing mostly Christian songs, but doing some that are not.
Not like I haven't tried, travel both far and wide.
Now, what I want to say about this, and the reason I'm making this video, is so that you don't just give the AI a song when it comes out with something perfect, at least not yet. Maybe sometime soon, I don't know. I'm going to pull my Premiere screen up for a second here and show you, for instance, the first song that I was playing there for you, Everything But You. Okay. Over here to the left, you'll see here's more audio. This is a folder called More Audio. So I had to go back, and it just wasn't getting my words right. It wasn't hitting the points right. And I kept rendering out video, rendering out audio. Here's the original audio. I've got like drums and an ending here. Let's give you an example of kind of what's in here. Get.
Change everything.
So
if I could undo every trial that I have been put through,
you'll find that it will give you bits of audio that do not work.
Every trial, Lord, that I've been.
So it was supposed to be that I've been through, and it goes that I've been through. Come on. The thing that's going to make this really great for people, for songwriters, is when the people that develop these AIs can give you the lead sheet, show you the music, the waveform, and the words across the top, and you can grab the words and pull them to where they're supposed to go, and then render it out. That's what's going to work. So far, you don't have that capability with Suno AI. You just pull it up, you put your lyrics in, you might tag them as a verse 1, verse 2, pre-chorus, chorus, verse 3, chorus, outro. You do all that, and it does like a minute and 20 seconds of it to make sure you're going to like it. Gives you a couple versions. Then you pick which version you like best, or you render some more. It costs every time you do that. It's like $8 a month, the package that I bought. And so, not very expensive. You can get 500 songs. It says probably more like, I'm going to guess, 20 songs, because you're going to have to keep re-rendering stuff, but still, 20 songs for $8 with a full band and people that can actually sing, even though it is a computer. I'm sure it's an amalgam of different people's voices, but these things sound awesome. But the point I'm trying to make here, you see, I've got my video and I got my titles and everything, but I have to go here and cut this clip here. Did not sound good after this point, so I had to put another clip in there, and you have to zoom in. You have to hit it just right. Now, I made it in Premiere Pro. Then I came here, and I had to crossfade in some stuff. So here I've got a crossfade come in. Here's what that sounds like.
In my life, girl, but you, all the pain.
It's just crazy that you can do that. There was one place here where I had one word. It left, there's a word supposed to be do. Do was supposed to come in, and it didn't come in here. Let me turn this track off. So here it left my do out, and the do had to rhyme with you, right? And later on in the song. So it left it out. It was supposed to say and do. So it was supposed to say and do. Again, here's what it really...
And everything I say.
So I'm going to turn it back on. So I had to go find do somewhere else and paste it into this. Check it out.
Say and do. I might change everything in my whole life. But you.
But crazy that you can do this. But I had to make here toward the end. I could not get satisfied with any of the endings it was giving me. It was giving me endings and would always cut off too abruptly. But I had a place where it had given me some instrumental ooze. See this ooze down here at the bottom? And it's just a lot of this. So I was able to build a satisfying ending out of that. But so I think what I would say to anybody that's trying to do this now, give it a shot, because you can get a lot done cheaper and faster than you can with a band. I mean, unless that's your pride thing, it has to be you. For me, it doesn't, because, as a songwriter, I just want to get the song demoed, and I'm sitting on hundreds of them that would never see the light of day. So now at least these songs will see the light of day. And, it doesn't sound like AI-generated music. Suno is so good. It's very convincing. I don't know that I could go out and hire guys and do any better. Probably not. And it's only going to get better, isn't it? So if the guys from Suno ever watch this, if you could make that where your bits of song show the waveform or timeline or whatever, and we're able to grab the words and move them around to where they're supposed to be, because the problem is, as you can see here, every one of these is a different generation. Every is a new render I had to do. So not just these. I had to go here and back do more audio because it still failed me. Nothing I had would work, and I had to work my ending out from this. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. About 15 renders here. And then, good night, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Probably I did 35 renders of various parts of the song, and then had to go piece them together, and you're listening to, well, which one's going to work with this? And I still don't know that I got it just right. That is pretty much how it's been with every single one of these songs that I've done. But I got to say, in the end, like Nikki really loves when I look up, no, she likes I Never Walk Alone, which, let me grab that one right quick. Those of you who've not heard it, go listen to some of these songs. I think you're going to be shocked how good they are. So this was a gospel song.
Why do I keep shedding tears Why can't I escape the fears? I've traveled oh so many years on the broad and crooked road. Why is it so hard to see that all it brings is misery? Dear Lord, please set my spirit free. Make glory my abode. I've got to get back, turn around. I wanna get back the love I found.
You see, that would be very hard to do to that quality. Now, is it perfect? No, it's not. So far, I don't think I've got a single song that's perfect. I've got 8 songs that are probably 90% there. And so it's problems with cadence. But the music sounds pretty great, but you can tell it's sort of a little muddled, a little computer generated. But dang, I mean, if you wanted to go to a band and say, hey guys in the band, should listen to this song, think we could do this one live? That's how you're going to get from being just a cover band type thing to a band that does your own music. I think this has to be a huge encouragement to songwriters. Now, if anybody wants to see a tutorial about how I work through the entire process, and the thing about it, if I make such a tutorial, it might only have a shelf life of a couple weeks before they, or change the way things work. But still, it might be worth doing if you're interested. I'll see that. It's blowing my mind, though. I'm probably going to start another YouTube channel. Nikki thinks I'm going to, swamp people with songs, and probably so if I've got 300 songs that I want to work up. So I don't want to run people off with them. I don't want to beat people over the head with them or anything. So I'm probably going to start a new YouTube channel. I went ahead and got one called, I called it Original Tunes AI. Original Tunes AI. I've not made it active yet, but I'm probably going to put all these songs there. And then moving forward, maybe every 2 or 3 songs I might put on my channel, but the rest of them will go over to Original Tunes AI. So you can search for that probably in the next couple of days. Today is February 11th. I'm saying probably by Valentine's Day, I'll have the new one up. And, go there and subscribe if you like original music, if you're doing any AI type music. Now, the thing that here's the pride point with me. I'm not letting the AI generate my lyrics. My lyrics are 100% written by me, coming out of my head. I think most AI lyrics are kind of lame, and I'm nothing against the AI. It's probably going to get way better than me soon, but still yet, it's the lyrics, the songs come from my heart. I let the AI generate a lot of the melodies to see what's going to come up with. I pick the melodies that I like that are closer to what's in my head, and then I let it do its thing. And then where it fails, I try to piece it together, try to piece the good parts in with the bad, chop out the bad, put in the good. If you were to see every one of these songs that I've got over here, every one of them's chopped up. If you were to see the actual, I like working in Premiere because ultimately I'm going to make videos out of them. And the video footage and stuff I got, sometimes it's stuff that I have shot. Most of the times I'm going to Pixabay. Pixabay, you can get royalty-free stuff. I'm a contributor there, and I have some of my stuff is I upload there, and so I go download too. And it's great stuff to use for this kind of project. Just using some royalty-free stuff, just to give people something to look at. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like. If you have any questions or anything, or would like to see a tutorial about anything, clue me in, let me know. Thanks, folks. Thanks for watching and for listening.